Bo Peep had a farm filled with animals, oh my! She had a little lamb, a horse, a pig, and a shy goat. But one day, Bo Peep lost her little lamb. Oh, what a mistake! She searched the farm, under the barn, over the gate, in the fields, under the haystack, but her lamb was out of sight. Bo Peep cried, "Oh dear, my little lamb is lost, what's to be done tonight?" A friendly owl hooted, "Don't you worry, Bo Peep. I saw your little lamb playing with the bees in a hive so deep. Just follow the buzzing sound, you'll find your lamb, I guarantee." Bo Peep followed the owl's advice, and on the way, she met a bat. "I'll help you find your lamb, Bo Peep, don't be discouraged yet." Together they set off, following the path, under the moon's soft glow. They found the bee's hive, and there, to Bo Peep's delight, was her little lamb, playing and laughing in the moonlight. Bo Peep embraced her lamb, and with a smile so bright, said, "Thank you, bat and owl, for helping me find my little light." From then on, Bo Peep learned to never fear the dark. For sometimes, the things we lose are closer than we think in the park. So, when you lose something dear, don't be too quick to part. For sometimes, the answers are right where you start.